Hey everyone, I'm Ojasi Dev from DSIFD. As you all know, that bathroom is one of the most crucial areas of a home. So let's discuss some do's and don'ts one should keep in mind while designing a bathroom. No matter what type or size of bathroom you are designing, you should always have a functional key or functional layout so that your bathroom space can be more functional and beautiful or aesthetic. Now you should always bifurcate a bathroom into two zones, that is a dry zone and a wet zone. A dry zone basically consists of a wash basin and a WC, that is water closet. And a wet zone is consist of shower area or bathing area. You can usually do this with the help of different methods like a tile drop, second a level difference, third shower curtains, fourth glass panels, fifth shower cubicle, etc. Now the next point is you should always avoid intersections of these three areas. Let me show you with the help of a sketch. This is a very basic bathroom planning. Here is the wash basin. Here is the faucet. And here is the WC, that is the water closet. This is the dry area. This is the wet area. And this is again the dry area. This kind of planning is a very poor planning, as the person who wants to use the WC will have to go all the way through the wet area. So this is not good because of the hygiene purposes. The floor will be wet throughout the day. Now let me show you another basic planning which is also inappropriate from the hygiene point of view. Here is my wash basin, here is my faucet, and this is the WC. Now again, the same thing is happening. This is the dry area, this is the wet area, and again, dry area. See, these three areas are again intersecting. So this planning is also inappropriate. Now let me show you the correct zoning process. You have to avoid intersections of both the dry areas and the wet area. So what you can do is, this is your dry area, that is the WC. This is again your dry area, that is the wash basin. And this is your wet area. So your wet area is completely separated by the dry areas. Now let me explain the correct zoning with a sketch. is my wash basin. This is my WC. And this is my shower cubicle. So now, as you can see, the dry zone and the wet zone is completely bifurcated with a partition glass, or you can provide a shower curtain or a tile drop. So this is the appropriate planning you have to do all the time whenever you are designing a proper bathroom. Now let me show you another basic example of a bathroom design. Here is my wash basin, this is my WC, and this is my shower cubicle. Again, we have different areas like wet area, dry area, and again dry area. For some of you, this planning is not appropriate because as soon as you open the door, you will see the WC. But in my opinion, this planning is very appropriate because as soon as I open the door, I'll get this length of wall, full length of wall, to place a nice countertop wash basin and a counter, and beneath that I can place a vanity, or I can design a vanity for extra storage. Again, bathrooms are very crucial areas because they do not get enough light, so sometimes they can be quite dark. So what I can do is I can place a full length mirror alongside the length of the wall, so it can reflect the light. And make my bathroom very airy and light. Bathroom designs are very crucial sometimes, but with these zoning options, a versatile and practical bathroom design is not a dream anymore. Here are some pictorial examples of these types of zonings.